Today I would like to show you how to change Volvo XC60. This is a 2010 model, the air filter. This is the first time for me to do this, and we bought this in the shop. For the picture is wrong, okay? It's you have to see inside. For I think it's $35 for this, $35. Okay, it's look like this. Okay, the tools is like this. You put it this way and put it this way and just unscrew it. I say it again, this is my first time to do it. I don't know if this is correct. Okay, one is out. When it's out, you have to put in a very safe place. Don't lose it, okay? Because we need to have it back. Oh my God, this is very wrong. This is wrong. Okay. I don't know if I need to.
I think they might not come out.
No. Okay.
They just come up maybe. When you pull on the screws, do they come out?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So this is so easy. Okay, you just take this and you pull this out. I'm not very clever with my hands, but look at this. It's so dirty.
Yummy.
Oh my God. It's
Ew,
so
let me
dirty.
see. What's the other side?
Yeah.
Oh, it is official Volvo though.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Ooh, Volvo.
It's a Volvo.
Oh, hold on. What is this?
Yeah. It's oh, this look. You can see the.
Let's see. Do it again.
No,
Do it again.
No, look at this.
I want to see if
my
I can
God.
get from the side.
Oh, look at here. Look at this. Oh my
Ew.
God, look at this. Film this.
Blech.
Okay.
Blech.
Now we put the new one
That
in.
one doesn't have the.
This is not a Volvo one,
Yeah.
but just
Should this have come off to go in there?
no.
It seems like maybe it does, because the thickness. Otherwise, put them up against each other.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh no, but it's like glued to it, huh? Should we put a piece of foam in there? Should we put a piece of foam in it?
I don't know.
Yeah, because the thickness won't be the same if we don't, right?
You want to tape it?
Wait, just stop.
Mm-hmm.
Hold them next to each other and let's compare the thickness.
No, it's different.
See, even with
This is the same, but
with it.
Okay, get a tape and tape it.
Tape it or want hot glue? I do hot glue like this one was. This one was kind of glued.
Okay.
You see?
Yeah. With you.
Do we have any foam like this?
Huh?
I'm thinking, do we have any clean foam like that? I just cut it and make a new one
No.
out of clean foam, because
No,
that's
no,
very
no.
dirty.
No. Okay, but just
Yeah.
this I can use. So,
Oof. Oh my goodness.
it's very dirty. Okay.
Should I wash it?
No. Okay, stop the camera. Now I just put it in the same way when I put it out. Make sure everything fits. Yeah, I think that's it. This is not high tech. don't think you need to do it that tight. Okay, just feel like it is sealed. That screw doesn't work.
Did it before?
No, it wasn't working in the beginning.
Okay.
So it's only three screws, but it's okay.
No worries. It's not something I think that'll fly off as you're driving.
So the highway drive you did contribute some dust.
Mm.
Okay, look at this. This is
when you took it out,
yeah.
huh? When you first took it out.
Yeah. So.
And this is what.
But don't look at the picture.
Yeah,
okay? Yeah.
It's not the picture. It's the whatever the model is, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know where the number is.
$35.
It was
$35.
yeah.
$35 and finish the job.
Yes.
Okay, for 10 minutes. Great. But I have to clean up this place. Okay, finally. Yay!